Welcome to this video. Are you interested in why your vehicle diagnosis displays B217A-9A? How is the error code interpreted by the vehicle? What does B217A-9A mean, or how to correct this fault? Today we will find answers to these questions together. Let's do this. First, let's look at the history of diagnostic fault code composition according to the OBD2 protocol, which is unified for all automakers since 2000. We divide the electric system of automobile into the four basic units: powertrain, body, chassis, network. This distribution is defined in the first character code. If the second character is expressed as 0, it is a standardized error. In the case of numbers 1, 2, 3, it is a more prestigious expression of the car-specific error. The third character specifies a subset of errors. The distribution shown is valid only for the standardized DTC code. Only the last two characters define the specific fault of the group. The add-on to the error code serves to specify the status in more detail. For example, a short to the ground. Let's not forget that such a division is valid only if the other character code is expressed by the number 0. Our website airbagreset.sk produces useful videos for you. You do not have to go through the OBD2 protocol anymore to know how to troubleshoot any car breakdown. You will find all the diagnostic codes that can be diagnosed in a Chrysler vehicles. Also many other useful things. The following demonstration will help you look into the world of software for car control units. You unbelievably can move the video a bit further. The error code is split into 2 bytes consisting of 16 bits. 1 bit is the basic unit that each computer works with. The bit has 2 logical states: 0, low level, 1, high level. By combining the first 2 bits, the basic character of the error code is expressed. The next 2 beats again determine the second character. The last beat styles of the first byte define the third character of the code. The second byte is composed of a combination of 8 bits. The first 4 bits determine the fourth character of the code. And the combination of the last 4 bits defines the fifth character. A single byte conceals 256 possible combinations. We now know in what way the diagnostic tool translates the received information into a more comprehensible format. The number itself does not make sense to us if we cannot assign information about it to what it actually expresses. So, what does the Diagnostic Trouble Code B217A-9A interpret specifically for Chrysler car manufacturers? The basic definition is: open in second clutch transmission fluid pressure switch circuit, or second clutch transmission fluid pressure switch stuck off. And now this is a short description of this DTC code. The input signal from the second clutch transmission fluid pressure switch to the PCM is high when driving in second gear. The execution time is continuous and the duration time is 2 seconds or more. Note before you troubleshoot, record all freeze data and any onboard snapshot. This diagnostic error occurs most often in these cases: faulty second clutch transmission fluid pressure switch, poor connections and loose terminals at the second clutch transmission fluid pressure switch and the PCM, open circuit between PCM connector terminal and the second clutch transmission fluid pressure switch. PCM needs to be updated with the latest software. Faulty PCM component or system operating conditions. This subtype is used for failures where the control module has detected that environmental or other operating conditions are either temporarily or permanently outside the design limits for correct operation, such that all or part of a component function is inhibited or fails, e.g. a radio is disabled because its LCD display or its CD mechanism cannot operate at a low ambient temperature. The Airbag Reset website aims to provide information in 52 languages. Thank you for your attention and stay tuned for the next video.